Alright, here I am in the second video. In this one we're looking at calibration. Calibration is a very important tool because when you are moving your DNA along the gel, you are going to need to specifically tell the program how far 1 centimeter is. So let's open up the gel again. Open. Once I have my gel open, in this case I'm still using the sample, but you may choose to use your gel that you run on Wednesday or Thursday this week. You're then going to use the line tool here. You're going to draw a line straight from 0 to 1. If you want to click, you'll notice how it might not be straight. If you hold the shift button down, it will straighten it. Now I have to tell the program that this is 1 centimeter. To do this, I go over here to Analyze. I click on Set Scale. It tells me it's 59 pixels. The known distance is 1. And the unit is centimeters, and I click OK. It's now saved. If I want to double check to make sure that works, I can go to Analyze, Measure, and you'll see that I have a bunch of measurements, including the length of 1. Notice that area, perimeter, angle, these things are pretty useless. So if you want to get rid of that frivolous information, you can go over again to Analyze, Set Measurements, and deselect area and deselect perimeter, hit OK, and now you'll only get those two. If I want to double check again to make sure that it does look accurate, I can measure from 0 to 2 centimeters, holding on the shift button to make sure it's straight. I hit Analyze, Measure, and it's very close, 1.983, which probably means I made my line here a little too short. That is how you go about calibrating the program. Now, when I need to measure the distance the DNA traveled, you always measure from the front of the well to the leading edge. As long as you're consistent each time, then you will get an accurate measurement. I go to Analyze, Measure, and now I can see that DNA traveled 1.119 centimeters. I'd probably round it up to a tenth of a centimeter as opposed to going to all these digits here because they're going to be inaccurate.